I want to thank you for helping us hit our goal of 25,000 subscribers. Thank you. And we have a special giveaway, so you're going to stick around to the end to find out what it is.
Hi Colorado, this is Cleet Crocker at the Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. And instead of telling you about all the great deals, I just want to tell you, thank you. We've just hit 25,000 subscribers on our channel, and it wouldn't be possible without you. So if you're just seeing this for the first time, join us. If you've been here with us all along, we love you, we thank you. Keep on seeing us here. Thank you very much.
Thanks for being 25,000 of the coolest people around. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for a chance to win a free cooling pillow.
Hello, America, and I want to thank all of you 25,000 people who decided to subscribe to our channel, because you are the reason we're out here doing this. It's not because my pretty, made for radio face is what you come looking for, but thank you very much, and keep coming and get your friends back here so we can get to 50 and plus 50 plus thousand. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, I just want to thank you guys for all the subscriptions. We just hit 25,000 subscribers. We really appreciate it. And what we're gonna do is, if you guys comment in the description below for this video, we're gonna give you a raffle, the chance to win one of these Galaxy Bedgear pillows. Really soft, really nice pillows, $200 value. We're gonna give one of these away to one of our commenters in the comments below. But thank you guys for all the subscriptions and the support. And yeah, let's get up to 50,000 subscribers. Thanks guys.